In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ISO file for Windows 10 LTSC Enterprise. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. To get started, open your browser and head to the link that you will find in the description below. On this page, scroll down until you find this section and select Windows 10 LTSC 2021. As you scroll down more, you will find the first download link. This one is for the English language only and contains both the standard LTSC version and the LTSC IoT version in one package. If you scroll down even further, you'll find separate links that contain only the LTSC version, but these support pretty much all available languages. You can select whichever link you prefer. Simply click on the link for the language you want. Now click the Download File button. Your Windows ISO will start downloading, and once it's finished, you will find it in your Downloads folder.